This is very important topic that is called Poiseuille's equation, and which we are determining to find out the quantity of water which is passing through a unit volume in unit time. That is, V is the volume and T is the time. So Q is called rate of flow of volume through any pipe or through any opening having cross section area A. So see how to derive the expression for the Poiseuille's equation. There is no direct method to derive the expression. So we have to derive this expression with the help of dimension analysis. So where that is rate of flow or quantity of flow through any opening is directly proportional to coefficient of viscosity is depending on radius of opening, that is R, that is P upon L, that is pressure per unit length, P for pressure per unit length. So with the help of these dimension analysis we have to derive this expression, what will be the relationship between or among these physical quantities. So like this, as you know, I will substitute the value of A, B, C like this, that is P upon L is pressure per unit length, R is the radius, eta is coefficient of viscosity. Substituting the dimension of all these value on the right hand side, and K is the dimension less constant. So Q is volume per unit time, left hand side, that is L cube upon T, that is L cube T minus 1. P upon E, that is pressure upon length, pressure is having dimension this, length is having dimension this. Substituting this here. Eta is coefficient of viscosity which is having dimension this. Just before this we had derived it. R is the radius, radius is having dimension of L. Substituting all these value and comparing left hand side dimension to the right hand side dimension. So we will come to know the exact relationship among all these variables. So this is the Poiseuille's equation derivation. This is very important because this derivation we are doing for finding the coefficient of viscosity for a particular liquid. So we know the quantity, how much quantity is flowing, pi is constant, 8 is constant, P pressure, how much pressure you are applying across the opening, R is the radius, L is the length, everything you know. So with the help of this you can find out what will be the coefficient of viscosity for various liquid. Thank you and have a great day. Next we will start, that is Stokes law. This is also being used to find out the viscous force. This is the another way whenever a solid body is emerging in any liquid, so what will be its viscous force. Thank you and have a great day.